Children, are you thorough with the cards which were given in different colors, red, blue, green and yellow? We should not stick on to the color, but the value of the points, that is the main part of that one card. So the first card was given red color, that is of 1000, green color is of 100, blue we have the value 10 and yellow we have 1. So with this in your mind, we should move to this question, that is Rohan got, the first question, Rohan got 3 thousands, 2 hundreds, 3 ones. How many points did he get in all? See, we have given a name Rohan. He has 3 thousands, 2 hundreds, no tens, but 3 ones are given. So how many points does he get in all? That we have to find out. So we know that in 1000 we have this red color, that is 3 here we can write. In 100 that is here 2. No tens, so nothing is there, means it is 0. And yellow is having, that is 1's place, that we have 3. So what is the total point? 3 thousands are there, 2 hundreds are there, 0 tens are there and 3 ones. So what will be the answer? 3203. Clear, children? Now we have the next question. Diya got 1 green card, 1 red card and 3 or each of blue and yellow cards. If Diya kitti 1 green card and 1 red card. Pitte blue yellow 3 vecha. Each of 3 each of blue and yellow cards. Yellow blue 3, red and green 1. So how many points did she get in all? So for that 1 red card, 1 green card, 3 blue and 3 yellow. So what number we get as the total point? 1133. Did you understand, children? Next we have Bandhura, another girl. Bandhura got 2123 points. What are the colors of the cards she got? How many of each? ഇവിടെ പോയിന്റ്സ് തന്നു, നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? ഈ കുട്ടിക്ക്, ഈ ബന്ധുരയ്ക്ക് ഏതെല്ലാം കാർഡ് എത്ര എണ്ണം വീതം നോക്കാം. 3 is in the last place, that in yellow cards place. Then 2 we have just beside that, that is in blue color. 1 is in green and 2 is in the red place. See, how many red colors? 2. How many green colored cards? 1. How many blue? 2. And how many yellow? 3. So 2, 1, 2 and 3. 2 red, 1 green, 2 blue and 3 yellow. Clear, children? So we have studied about the places with the help of cards. Red, green, blue and yellow. Red was in the thousands place, green was in the hundreds place, blue in tens place and yellow is in the ones place. And now we can go to this part. Now you are able to do this photo only I will be sending you. The question is, who got the most points? Because here already we have written the answers last day. Do you want me to write? 1322, 1700, 1007, 1025, 2060 and 2006. These were the numbers last day we got. So now from here we should check Who got the most points? That you find out. It is your duty to do. Next, who got the least? Least means ഏറ്റവും കുറവ്. Then one more question is there. Write the points from the smallest to the largest. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? The same ascending order. ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ നമ്പർ മുതൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ നമ്പർ വരെ ഇത് എഴുതണം. So now I am not going to do these three questions. It is your duty to do. So this will be today's homework. Thank you. Students, again I am here with the same colored cards, red, green, blue and yellow. So we have studied what is the point to be given to each card. Red color is of 1000, red color is of 1000, green 100, blue 10 and yellow 1. Yes? So now the question is, see, a name is given Achu, one number is given 3140. The digits are to be distributed to each colored cards in such a way that the total should be 3140. Video, this 3140 1000 ആയിട്ടും 100s ആയിട്ടും 10s ആയിട്ടും 1s ആയിട്ടും പിരിച്ച് എഴുതാൻ നമ്മൾ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. അതിനുവേണ്ടിയാണ് ഇവിടെ ഡിഫറെന്റ് കളേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് കാർഡ്സ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. So now here we have Johnny. So how many thousands are here? 2. Then in hundreds 3 0 3. Same way. Then for Rani 3 1 2 2 and for Jaya 2 0 0 6. That we understood now. With that, we go to the next question. Achu got 140 points from 3104 tens. ശരിയാണോ അല്ലേ? That we can check once more. Achus we can take Achus. 3000s. ശരിയല്ലേ? 3000s 100 4 tens. Ones-ന്റെ ഭാഗത്ത് 0 ആണ്. That is no ones. So അത്രയും മതി. 3000s 100 and 4 tens. ശരിയല്ലേ? ശരിയാണ്. So now the question is how to write this number 2303. So how to write 2303 like the pattern which is given on the top? How many thousands are here? 2000s, 300s, no tens, but 3 ones. പിടികിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ? 2303 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിൽ എത്ര thousands ഉണ്ട്? We have 2 in thousands place. എത്ര hundreds? 3 in hundreds place. No tens are given there since the digit is 0 and the last digit is 3. So 3 ones we have. പിടികിട്ടിയല്ലോ? So you also should draw this and write this. Now the next question comes. Already I have told you we should discuss each and every question which is given in your textbook, otherwise you will not be able to solve the questions which are given in the exam, because practical knowledge we have to use in this type of questions. Abu, Johnny and Balu bought bicycles. അവർ മൂന്ന് പേരും bicycles വാങ്ങിച്ചു. The price of Abu's bicycle is 3250. Abu 3250. He gave 3000 rupee notes. Then 3000 rupee notes, 200 rupee notes and 5 10 rupee notes. Here nothing. ഇത്രയും മാത്രമേ കൊടുത്തുള്ളൂ. 3000, that is 3000, 200, that is 200. 5 10 രൂപ, that is 50. ഇതെല്ലാം കൂടെ എത്ര രൂപയായി നോക്കിക്കേ. Just add and see. 0, 5, 2, 3. 3250. Now, Johnny gave 3,000 rupee notes, 400 rupee notes and 5 10 rupee notes. What is the price of his bicycle? That is your question that you do yourself. This part, please do it yourself. Questions given in figures also should write and in words also you should write. The photo I will be sending to you. You please write down these answers.